Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Isabel Roy, and today we are going to talk about how this and this can be turned into this. We are going to talk about citrus oils, citrus essential oils, and how amazing they are, what their benefits are, whether that's mentally, emotionally, or physically, or even around the house. There's some cool things you can do with citrus oil. So I wanted to talk about those benefits, and I'm just going to put my orange and my yummy lemon that I got today just back there. They are oils. Now, actually, I'm going to take one back. If we look at essential oils that are coming from citrus fruit, that means it can come from lemon, from lime, from oranges, from all the different kinds of citrus fruits like clementine and tangerine and mandarin and bergamot. So there's a lot of citrus fruit. Some of them we don't really see much in America where I live in Canada. But depending on where you live around the world, you may have citrus fruit there, either, native to your country. I know that there's a lot of different fruits that are citrus fruits in Asia, for example. There's just a lot that we don't hear about depending on where we live. So when we have essential oils that come from citrus fruits, we actually take the citrus peel, and it is cold pressed, just like olive oil, to extract the essential oils. Now, you know that when you peel an orange and you squeeze that peel, you see a little kind of mist come out. That's actually essential oil. And so we actually go and get that essential oil out of the rind, and we just simply do that by cold pressing it. That gives a really cool outcome, which is essential oils. Now, this is our wild orange, which we source from Brazil mostly. And it's such a beautiful oil. I just use it simply like this, or I use it in the diffuser. I rub my hands together. It smells like I'm peeling an orange, because that's exactly what it is. It's just that mist that you see coming from your orange peels. Now, I wanted to talk about their amazing benefits and why I love using them so much. I really primarily use them for mood, mental health, stress, anxiety, irritability. It's really good for irritability. It also helps boost my energy. And so if you feel like your mood is up and down, if you're feeling down, we often refer to these oils as sunshine in a bottle, because they just lift you up. They all have specific properties that they can offer. And I picked a few that I wanted to show as examples of how they can help us emotionally, very, very specifically. But in general, the citrus fruits just make you feel happy. They make you feel abundant. They make you feel less stress. And there's actually quite a bit of research backing that up. If you like research, please reach out, because I have an app for you that you can look up any essential oil and it'll give you its properties, but also the research that's been done for that specific oil. And you can read those research papers on it. The other cool thing that I love about citrus oils is that they make really cool natural air fresheners. And so whether that's in a diffuser that you have at home, or if you want to make your own spray bottle, and which is what we do, is just water, your favorite essential oils, and then you just spritz on furniture. You can spritz on your bed sheets. It's a really, really cool hack that is so easy and a great way to use your oils. I like using it on any fabric. So when I want to refresh the house, I spray the carpets, the curtains, the sofa, the beds, and it's just like an instant natural air freshener. It's so, so good. The other cool thing that I like about citrus oils, and I do this usually with my wild orange or with my lemon, is it's a natural glucan. So using just a little bit, if I have something sticky on a counter or on a jar, if you want to take the residue off of a jar from a sticker or on a fridge, anything that had a sticker on it, is so, so easy and works like a charm. It also works really well for permanent marker or some things that may be on a wall. You just use a little bit, just a tiny little bit, and put that on the corner of a rag or a dishcloth and just rub gently, and it's like a magic eraser. It's really, really cool. So I wanted to just grab my book here, and I pulled a few of the essential oils that are citrus oils and their emotional benefits. I've referred to this book often, so if you're familiar with my channel, then you'll have seen this book. If you're not, this is an amazing book, guys. It's called Essential Emotions, and I really love using this book to dig deeper into the emotional benefits of every specific essential oil. Now, the grapefruit. I pulled out grapefruit, and I pulled it out here. Also one of my fave. My actual, very top one fave is bergamot. All right, we're not going to talk about bergamot today because I'm saving it for another day. But grapefruit is probably, it's close to the second one. So grapefruit smells so delicious. I mean, if you like the smell of peeling a grapefruit, this is going to blow your mind, okay? So it has all the same properties that we discussed earlier. However, specifically, it addresses honoring the body. Now, grapefruit is really great physically to eliminate extra or excess water. So water retention, grapefruit's going to be great for you, okay? Emotionally, grapefruit teaches true respect and appreciation for one's physical body. It supports individuals who struggle to honor their body and are caught in patterns of mistreatments. So great for body shame, great for if you're obsessed with food or dieting. It's great if someone is struggling with eating issues, or if they have a distorted image of themselves. It will help you be more respectful of your physical needs and accept your body. You'll feel more nourished, and you'll have a healthier relationship with food. So that's grapefruit. Amazing. My favorite way to use this one is in my water. And so I like putting a drop in my water and just filling my water cup, and I just sip on it. It tastes really good. There's no sugar. It's really, really yummy. The second one I want to talk about is tangerine. I picked this one because it's really fun. You've got, here's tangerine. I love it because it's the oil, emotionally, of spontaneity. Really, really fun. So if you're lacking spontaneity in your life, maybe you need some tangerine. Tangerine's strong qualities of joyfulness can lift the darkest of moods. It can assist those who feel cut off from the lightness of heart, often manifested by children. Those who feel overburdened by responsibility would benefit from tangerine's uplifting vibration. It encourages a person to be creative and spontaneous. So if you're feeling stifled, if your creativity is not flowing, if you feel like you have you're duty bound, it's like you're very serious, you have all these things to do, you're overworked, and really feeling joyless, the tangerine can help you with that. It also helps you be more creative, be more spontaneous, and just have more fun, have more of a optimistic view of life. So that's the tangerine. Really, really cool. Now, again, a citrus oil, but has different, very, very specific, sub-levels of emotional benefits. And then which one did I pick here as well? Of course, our wild orange. We talked about wild orange earlier. Wild orange is actually the oil of abundance. This is a really good one, guys. Really, really good one. I use this one a lot. Wild orange addresses a wide variety of emotional issues. It inspires abundance, fosters creativity, and supports a positive mood. Wild orange also reconnects individuals with their inner child and brings spontaneity, fun, joy, and playfulness into one's life. So this is a great one because it helps you address feelings of scarcity. If you're overly serious or rigid, if you're a workaholic, if you have a lack of energy, if you're feeling discouraged, if you tend to hoard, if you're a hoarder, this helps you feel more abundant, where you don't have that need to hoard everything. Or if you have feelings of envy, this could be a great oil for you to feel less envious. It gives you positive feelings of abundance, of having a sense of humor. You feel more generous, you feel more spontaneous, more creative, more joyful. And so it's a really great oil. Often we meet people with various abundance issues, whether it's not having enough time, not having enough money, not having enough possessions, not having enough love. And so wild orange is the oil of abundance and can be really, really useful to help you with those feelings. My favorite way to use it, like I showed you, just put a drop in your hands, take a deep breath, and it just goes right to your brain. It's so powerful. You can also diffuse it. Use your diffuser. You can mix different essential oils in there. You can definitely mix a lot of different citrus oils in there, and you're going to get like, wow, a nice energy boost. It's going to be positive feelings, and it's just all around. It smells amazing. I hope you liked today's video. Please subscribe and share and like this video, because that helps me get this video to more people that could use this information and help themselves with their health naturally and really make choices that are more conducive to a natural lifestyle, reducing toxins, a slow lifestyle, which is what I'm all about. So if you like slow food, if you like slow life, if you like natural living and natural remedies, thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing and liking this video. We'll see you next time.